Carrots grow in the ground, and the children have to pull them up.
How big's that one?
Oh,
There are some big ones, and some little ones too.
hello, little guy.
Look how many he has got.
Oh, how many is there? Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I'm a harvester, come and see me chug. From dawn to dusk I drive through fields, digging up the mud. I dig up carrots, oh I love carrots. I'm a harvester. I'm a harvester, up and down I trek, driving in a perfect line to make sure I collect all my carrots. Oh, I adore carrots. I'm a harvester. I don't know where all my carrots go, but if you're lucky, you might eat one tonight. I'm a harvester, sorting as I go. I have to separate the dirt from each and every load. I just want carrots. Oh, I live for carrots. I'm a harvester. Oh, I don't know where all my carrots go, but if you're lucky, you might eat one tonight. Oh, I don't know where all my carrots go, but if you're lucky, you might eat one tonight.
They start as tiny as a little pin and grow into a big, tasty mushroom.
Midge, I'm going to go in and have a look. You stay there.
Okay, can you show me a mushroom?
Okay. I don't want to get in the way, so I'll watch from here.
Inside, there are rows and rows of mushrooms.
Wow, just look at them all.
Machines move up and down so the pickers can reach even the highest mushrooms. Each one is carefully picked and put in a container.
Let's take some out for Midge. There you go, Midge.
Oh, goody! I'm going to take this to Farmer Tom. Okay.
I'm an apple harvester, and here's the job I do. I collect up all the apples, green and red ones too. They used to dingle, dangle there, high up in the trees. Now they're lying on the ground, waiting there for me. I love apples. I hope you love them too. Look how many apples I'm collecting up for you. I love apples. I hope you love them too. Look how many apples I'm collecting up for you.
Hello, Dr. Ted.
Who wants to know how blackcurrants grow?
Me!
Look, there's the harvester.
I'm such a happy harvester with the job I have to do. I'm picking all the blackcurrants, I'm picking them for you. I pick them from
'cause we love to